The investigation into the NEET UG 2026 paper leak has intensified, with the Central Bureau of Investigation or CBI now scrutinizing the National Testing Agency or NTA's paper setting panel and senior officials linked to the examination process. Officials say more arrests are likely in the coming days as investigators focus on uncovering the source of the leak from within the system. The latest breakthrough came with the arrest of Manisha Gurunath Mandhare, a Pune-based botany teacher who allegedly leaked questions from the medical entrance examination weeks before it was conducted on May 3. Investigators said Mandhare was appointed as an expert by the NTA and had access to the confidential botany and zoology sections of the question paper. According to the CBI, Mandhare conducted special coaching sessions for selected students at her residence in Pune during April. During these classes, she allegedly dictated questions that later appeared in the actual NEET UG examination. Students reportedly noted down the questions and marked them in textbooks. Investigators said the students were allegedly brought to her through co-accused Manisha Wagmare, who was arrested earlier this week. Mandhare's arrest follows the detention of retired chemistry lecturer P.V. Kulkarni, who has been described by investigators as a key figure in the leak. Officials claim Kulkarni leaked the chemistry section while Mandhare leaked the biology paper. The CBI said it has identified two separate leaked paper sets originating from within the NTA system, one handwritten and another typed. Investigators also traced the circulation of leaked PDFs through Telegram groups and middlemen operating across several states. Search operations conducted over the last 24 hours led to the seizure of laptops, mobile phones and financial records connected to the case. So far, 9 people from 5 states have been arrested. Meanwhile, the May 3 NEET UG examination has been cancelled and the government has announced a retest on June 21 for over 22 lakh candidates.